watching this new superhero movie. Wanna go?
Sure, that's great.
Alright, 7 p.m. and dress up nice. I'm gonna introduce you to someone. Later!
What am I going to wear?
Did you know that it only takes 11 seconds to make that first impression? Our appearance, our clothes, and how we carry ourselves is a visual statement people will remember us by. So, you sure want to get it right the first time around.
There are 3 major points to consider in improving our appearance. First is body shape. It's how people see you from side to side. Second, know your body proportions. It's how people see you from top to bottom. Find your natural waistline. Then, measure the length from the top of your head to your waistline and from the waistline to the floor. Create balance and symmetry using shape and proportion. How? Use lines. Wear hemlines of the following: tops, skirts, pants. Use lines found in necklines and ties, accessories. Go ahead. Play around with your shape and proportion by playing around with lines.
Here at John Robert Powers, we will assist you to determine the right color direction that will suit you and make your appearance glow and pleasing to the eye for any occasion.
Remember, dress for your body shape, body proportion, and color direction. Armed with these 3 important tips, you can now shop till you drop. Fix your closet and throw away anything that doesn't follow these rules. Be confident knowing that you have style forever.
The Powers style of dressing makes you ready for your magic moment.
Learn the power style to dressing and be free from fashion trouble for life. Call us today.